Hey everyone, we have this India Gate Mini Mogra-ii Basmati rice, so let's check it out. This one is 10 kg pack, MRP is 599 and we got it from JioMart for just 452, meaning 1 kg cost us around 45 only. And here is the rice. It's very small grain, look like broken wheat dalia only. Almost all the grains are 1/4 and 1/5 size broken pieces, but the rice is clean, no black or yellow grains at all. So to cook it, first wash it properly 3-4 times and then soak the rice for 30 minutes. And if you are cooking by open pot method, boil 5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice and add rice to boiling water. Cook on medium flame for 6-7 minutes. And if you are making it in pressure cooker, for 1 cup of rice, 2 cup of water and just 1 whistle. And see, here our rice is cooked. So strain it and the cooked rice grains are also small, but they are soft to chew and soft to eat. Taste is not bad at all. I would say it is a broken rice of very good basmati rice. So don't take it with high expectation of aroma and all, but for daily use on a budget, this is a good option. And do check it out online. You will get good discount. More than 450, don't buy this one. So that was all. Hope you find the video useful. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.